Hello everybody, heartily welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share you how to choose a perfect color code from Dulux app. The Dulux, if you are coming from abroad or outside the India, you know about the what is the Dulux. So now I want to paint in my exterior at my home, just outside my home. So I choose the Dulux. Dulux is available in the country India. So I have opened Dulux website. You can see here, and I have already choose what the product I want to use for my exterior. So you can see here weather shield protect. It is this you can see here fungal protection Dulux weather shield, and you can see I want to show you what product I want I most like. So the video is about how to choose a perfect color, because I collect the Dulux browser. I want to show you in the backside or on this video, or any side on this video. I have collect the Dulux color brochure for exterior, only for exterior, not for interior, because Dulux had made a brochure separately for exterior, interior, tiles, for tiles, and separately. So I want to close this one. So I have opened this website, and the side by side I have to open this website Dulux, the same company, and you can copy this one because the Dulux is from India. So .in. So this is a color picker. So how to choose what type of color you want to but it is just pre-visualize, because I have a 3D visualizer to how to make how to get exactly color code. So you have know that I have a brochure, and I have choose this 1 2 3. This is the body color. This is the creamish body color. It is not a creamish, this is off-white and just slightly a green touch. You can see here, this is the this color is no wish upon a star. And this code is 63ZY8333. Sorry, this is only 833 83021 63ZY83021, and I have to save it. If you have a browser, if you have a Dulux paint browser, just type this code and you can get exactly the color what you are watching in this video. So how to get the perfectly exactly color? So the easy way, the screen grab, I have downloaded this color as a screen grab. So you can see here I have downloaded this color. So you can see here the raspberry are different, but this color has no code. If you go to the shop in Dulux, Dulux offline shop or Dulux outlet, so if you provide the color name, they don't understand and they don't get exactly color code. So in this case you have to know the actual color code, what the color has the main code. So because when I open this vector graphics software, you can see here when I choose this one, this is the color, and in my right side panel you can see here this color has a different code. You can see here the different code you can see here, because if I choose the this one, so you can see here this is you can see here this hashtag ACA790. this is the color code. If I click it on here, you can see the ACA793FF. you can see here ACA793. You can see here the same code as here. FF means the RGB. This is the alpha code, and this is the RGB code. This is the RGB code, and you can see here the HSLA, or you can see here HSV. You can see here the HSV or this one. So how to you can get the color code perfectly, the color code from the internet. So at first, open the traditional search engine. I am using the DuckDuck browser, and type the Dulux, because the brand is Dulux, DULUX. You can see here that this is the DULUX color code. How can you see the Dulux pen color matching encyclopedia. So you can Dulux encyclopedia.com pen Dulux. So it is already open. So I have opened. So I have, you can see here, because I have a brochure, so I want to choose another color, ginger alley. You know, just remember my the name, the color name is the ginger alley. The color code is 40 YY space 63/473, and this is the ginger alley. Just hit enter. So you can see here the Dulux or Gliden. You can see here the ginger alley, the 40 YY 63. So you can see here the LRV. You can see here the all HSL. You can see here HSL. So now I am to choose HSB. So now I turn into HSL mode. So what is the color code? HSL 447971. 447971. 447971. You can get for 4479. 4479 and 71. This is the actual. You can see that this is the actual color. You can see here the what is the color code, EFD07B or EFD079. Here you can see here the EFD079. This is not a process. EFD07. No, this is not a 7B. This is 79. EFD079. Okay, or just copy this one, EFD079. EFD079 and hit enter. And the last, the FF code is the RGB. FF, the meaning is the alpha RGB. This is not only RGB, RGBA. So this I got the exactly the color code from my brochure. So this color. When I choose this one, so this color is this one 63ZY 83021. So again I go back to here, and the color code is 63ZY space 83/021. The color name is Wish Upon a Star. You can see here the Wish Upon a Star. The code is 63ZY 83/021. that I have typed. This is this one. Don't use the HSL this ratio 60, 23 and 89%. Use this code E9 DC. So I have to change the color. How to change the color from here? How to put the color code? Just E9 DC. You can get the exactly the color code from your brochure. So suppose this color is my body color, and this color I want to choose as a border color. Just like this. Just like this. This is a body color, and this is a border color that which I want to paint on the any beam, any border area. So you can so this is the encyclopedia from the Dulux. You can get the actual color code. So I have already and what color you want to what color looks good if you apply it on your exterior at your home. So I think this color is this color looks good, and this color also looks good. So these are the orange shade are very common color, but this color and this color this three color on the left side is a very common color, but this I like this one, this color. I like this one, and my mother likes this color. I have choose this two color. My mother had choose this three color, and my brother choose this color and this color. My mother and this color, the background color, choose. We are agreed to apply the body color, busy color, background body color is 63ZY 83/021. This is the body color, and this is the background color. So I like this one, and I asked to them what they are choosing. So this is the process how to get the actual color, what are printed off from this color coming from the weather shield from Dulux company. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. And the next if you are, because I am speaking in English, because Dulux, most of the viewers are coming from the abroad, or not only in India. If you want to make this video in Hindi or Indian language, so I will make this video as in English, on the Indian regional language, because the Dulux is the brand. The Dulux is coming from all across the all over the world. So I like to make this video in English language, so everybody can understand the English. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you want to how to paint and how to buy and how to apply on the exterior, so check it on my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, the new product review. Bye bye.